this is your favorite product, this is the fastest moving product in agency channel, right? ये product guarantee देते हैं और वो भी 30 साल तक guarantee देते हैं, right? If it is 30 year तक अगर आपको guarantee देने वाला product है, you know that it is very very precious, which we call it as. Now let me tell you what actually is the problem. All of us know that we have to give guarantee to customers. Now this table has got lot of numbers. मैं आपको explain करूंगा एक एक number so that you will understand this. And when you see the numbers and terminologies, आपको थोड़ा सा difficulty लगेगा, but I will explain to you in a very simple way. If you look at the top line, it says that consumer price index or CPI inflation. Inflation का मतलब है, in Hindi it is महंगाई, right? In Malayalam it is नाणय पेरुपम, right? Which simply means that what is the expenditure, how it is going up in a simple way. Right? For example, if you are getting something at 100 rupees last year, if you are getting the same thing this year at 107.6 rupees, it is called as an inflation of 7.6 rupees, the percentage. So inflation मतलब महंगाई, right? चीजें महंगा होते जा रहे हैं. Whatever you were getting earlier is becoming more and more costlier now. That is called as inflation, which is at 7.6% as on November 20th. Well, how is it important? I will explain to you in some time. But at the same time, because of the COVID, you see Indian economy had a difficult time. Last year, November 2019, Indian economy was growing at 4.4%. GDP matlab gross domestic product. In simple economic terms, it's the total of all the goods and services produced in a country. और simple तरीके में अगर बोलूं तो वो है country का economy. Country का economy grow कर रहे, which is positive. Country का economy degrow कर रहे, which is negative. So if you look at it, August country ka economy is degrown by minus 23.9%. Why? Because we all know that the offices had just started, factories were just opening. So India, the growth GDP was about negative. But it is slowly coming up and it is still negative. November 20, it was minus 7.5%. Third data talks about industry ka production bada hai ke nahi bada hai. And you can see that it was very, very bad, but it is now coming up slowly. After the lockdown is little bit relaxed, it is coming up slowly. August 20 versus November 20, it is coming up slowly. And the fourth point, if you see Brent crude, which is the crude price, which we buy, and all of us know that India is a country wherein the crude is very important. Crude oil is very important because we consume a lot of petrol and diesel. Right? India is not a country which has got a lot of electric cars. Right, our infrastructure is not that great our roads are not that great for electric cars, etc. So currently, as a country, India imports a lot of oil, and the oil prices of the world is very important because we are importing, and it is at $48 per barrel. But last year, same time, it was $62 per barrel. I will connect all these numbers in a minute. And if you look at the fourth line, is Nifty. Nifty is stock market index. If you look at stock market index as of now is about 13,000 points. Nifty is at 13,000 points. If you see पिछले quarter से ये quarter में Nifty has gone up by 14%, and YOY year on year, which is last November to this November, the Nifty is at 8% high. And mid cap index, which is the second rung of the shares, right? Top shares 50 share Nifty में आता है, उसकी बाद की करीब shares कुछ shares आता है mid cap index में, and that has grown by 12%. ये numbers हमारे लिए important है, I will connect it in a minute, but most important numbers are the ones which are highlighted here. If you look at it, our MGFP product, agar when you buy an MGFP product as a customer, the money has to be invested in some instruments. And what are these instruments? The instruments where we as an organization invest is government security bond or corporate bonds, majorly these two. If you look at 10-year government security bond, last year, November 2019, it was at 6.5%. In August, when we started driving MGFP very aggressively, it was at 6.1%. And November 20, and even in December, it is at 5.9%. अभी वो 5.9% है. उसका मतलब है government bond नीचे जा रहे हैं. Now you look at 30-year government security, that normally, public, you and me cannot buy it, only companies can buy it, corporates can only buy it. 30-year government security bond was 7.2% last November. जब हम लोग MGFP फाइल किया था, तब वो 7.2% था. अगस्त में, जून जुलाई में हमने लॉन्च किया था, जुलाई में, अगस्त में अराउंड 6.8% था. and it has fallen down again to 6.6% now. But look at 10-year AAA PSU corporate bonds. Corporate मतलब company का bond का yield 7.6% last year से 6.4% में पहुंच गया. If you look at these three data, how it is falling down in the last 1 year and especially last 2 months, I want to tell you that is the problem, because if it falls down further, our MGFP returns have to be revised. जो हम MGFP में return customer को promise कर रहे हैं, हमको वो promise customer को नया product या नया returns के साथ हमको launch करना पड़ेगा. तो existing जो हम अभी बेच रहे हैं उनको कोई problem नहीं होगा, but whatever we will be selling in the future will have a lower returns to the customer. Now let me connect with the rest of the numbers. Why are bond yields going down? Now one reason, you look at oil prices is low. Right, India import kam kar raha hai. India is importing less amount of oil. Right, India is importing a lot of oil, but oil price is less when compared to last November. So when oil price is now less when compared to last November, Indian government need not borrow more and more money because the prices of the oil are less. So borrowing kam ho raha hai, government loan kam lena pad raha hai government ko. That's why bond ka yield kam ho raha hai. Number two is stock market, if you see, is doing well and well and well. Now, when stock market is doing very well, which you can see in Nifty index and mid cap index, people normally buy more of equity funds and mutual funds which are related to equity, and they will not go for buying a government bond. Government bond ka demand kam hoga. Right. Now, inflation zyada hai, but at the same time, if you look at it, the GDP growth is low. GDP अगर growth low है, government and RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has to take measures to ensure that market में पैसा pump करे. Market में पैसा pump करने के लिए they will put more money into the market so that market goes up or economy goes up. Right, and again, all this can actually bring down the bond yield. Right, that's what we are seeing in the last, especially 2 months where it has gone down by 0.2%. You can see at the bottom it is written that 10-year government of India bond yield has come down, right? 30-year government bond yield has come down. एक साल का भी आप डेटा देख सकता है, पिछले 2 महीने का डेटा देख सकता है, 3 महीने का डेटा देख सकता है, उसके बेसिस पे बॉन्ड यील्ड नीचे जा रहे हैं. We are expecting that दिसंबर के बाद बॉन्ड यील्ड और नीचे जा सकता है. If bond yield goes down, our MGFP will be repriced, and then we will have to tell to the customer that the new MGFP which you buy will have a lower returns than what it is available. So this is the data, this is the true fact which you can see on the screen. Let me go to the next slide. This slide is about the recent RBI monetary policy. Right, RBI is Reserve Bank of India. All of us know that Reserve Bank of India is the custodian of money in India. Right, they regulate money supply in India. So you can see the paper report which says that RBI monetary policy, which came on December 4th, right? The governor of RBI, Shaktikant Das, said that we are maintaining the repo rate at 4%. I don't want to explain about what is repo rate. It's the rate at which bank takes loan from the RBI. But the important word there is RBI says that we are still at accommodative stance. Accommodative stance ki matlab, I have written it on the top of that paper report, which simply says that accommodative monetary policy ka matlab hai, RBI wants to even reduce interest rate so that there is lot of money supply in the market. I hope you are getting what I am saying. RBI is giving clear signals that hum abhi interest rate same rakh rahe December 4th ko at 4%, but they are saying that we are maintaining an accommodative stance, which simply means that we want to supply more money to the economy so that economy revives. आपने देखा होगा previous slide में economy नीचे है अभी भी. So if economy को उठाना है तो पैसा ज्यादा supply करना पड़ेगा. पैसा ज्यादा supply करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? Interest rate कम करना पड़ेगा. So interest rate जब कम होगा, what happens normally? You will also not keep money in your account. You will start spending more money because you're getting hardly any interest rate in the bank account. So this is a very important thing which you should be telling to the customer, that RBI is saying that we are accommodative, which means interest rate will further fall down. And yet the second line, if you read it, it says RBI has bought a 10-year government bond very recently, and in October 2020, and that bond came at 5.89%. As I told you, November mein bond yield is at 5.9 odd percentage. Currently, it's about 5.9% bond yield. but RBI already bonds or the government of India bonds already issue कर रहे हैं at a lower rate than 5.9% also, which is at 5.89%. All we know that when we take money from the customer in the form of MGFP premium, we have to invest that money in some instrument. And where do we invest? We invest in Government of India 10-year bond, 30-year bond, etc. We invest in corporate bonds, and you say that bonds are going down. RBI is giving more indication that it is going to go down, and hence, if you ask me, it is really important that we actually give this product MGFP to as many customers as possible, as fast as possible. Now, if you look at so many measures have been taken by RBI and government during the COVID times, right? They actually wanted to pump in more and more and more money. I'm sure that some of you who would have been following business news would have seen that every 10 days, 15 days, RBI governor was doing press conference during the COVID times, and he was announcing some or other measures to bring liquidity. ज़्यादा पैसा बैंकिंग सिस्टम में देने के लिए बहुत सारे measures किया था RBI और गवर्नमेंट मिलकर. So ज़्यादा पैसा कैसे सप्लाई होते हैं? आप खुद ही सोचो कि ज़्यादा पैसा ऐसे सप्लाई होते हैं by way of reducing the interest rate. Right? अगर reduced interest rate करेंगे तो आप खुद spend करेंगे ज़्यादा पैसा. You won't keep money in your account. Right? Companies को ज़्यादा पैसा कम interest में मिलेंगे. They will spend more money in building their businesses. So RBI and government took a lot of measures, and that's the reason why the 10-year bond yield is falling down, like a London Bridge. हमने वो poetry सुना होगा बचपन में. Right? London Bridge is falling down, London Bridge is falling down. This is exactly, you can see the London Bridge is falling down slowly. The reason why I wanted to show you, and especially the last 2 months, is because if this is our favorite product, and this favorite product is under danger if we are not going to give, rather for a long time, if we can't keep it for a long time, we have to sell as fast as possible, as many as possible. Right? Look at this slide. This slide shows about how interest rate in the last 5-6 years have fallen down from 8.5% in India to 5.4%. But if you look at last 3 months only, if you remember it, when we launched our MGFP product, all the presentations, slide shows the FD rate for 5 years is 5.4%. It has further gone down to now 5.3%. Now, if you look at it in last the calendar year, in the last 11 months of time, the FD rates, fixed deposit rates, have come down by 0.7%, 70 basis points. Now you look at it in 1 year, the FD rates have fallen down, and FD, anyway, all of us know is not very attractive, but because it has got income tax which you have to pay for the interest which you get from an FD. But the point is not that. The point is that FD rates are also falling down. Government of India bond rates are falling down. Corporate bond yields are falling down. And economy is not doing really well, and government wants to supply more money to the field, which means they need to further reduce the interest rate. And that's what RBI is telling in the form of accommodative stance, what they say. It simply means that this product which we have called as MGFP, right? If the interest rate and bond yield falls down further, MGFP returns will also come down. But whoever is buying MGFP today, tomorrow, till the time we have this return, for them, the guarantee is confirmed. उन लोग को वो guarantee confirmed है. But agar bond yield or interest rate or further down हुआ, I don't know whether in January we will have the same returns in the product. So my request to all of you is, in the next 14 days of time, before RBI comes and make any interest rate announcement, and if it goes down, we will have to reprice the product. Meet all your friends, neighbors, dear ones, whoever you want to give high guarantee product, and give them this MGFP. So when we launched this product in the month of July, we said that MGFP, which is our MetLife Guaranteed Future Product Plan, is a precious product. That's what we told, right? Now today we are telling that it's not a precious product, right? MGFP is no more a precious product. What is MGFP? MGFP is more precious now, because interest rate is falling down. I don't know how many months can we have the interest rate or rather the returns of MGFP like this. So now MGFP has become more and more precious. Now let me rewind you with this product, which all of you know. We have always been talking about it, that there are many instruments which are available, which are short-term guarantee products, like bank FD short-term, National Savings Certificate is short term. Kisan Vikas Patra, which is post office, is again short term. 10-year government bond is short term. Those are plentifully available. It is like gold, silver, and bronze. But something long-term guarantee, 30-year guarantee, 24-year guarantee, 26-year guarantee is extremely rare. It is like a diamond. Now assume that diamond is going to go, or diamond ka price बहुत बढ़ने वाला है. What will you do? You will buy diamond now, or you will wait for the diamond not to be there? I'm sure that every one of us would want to buy the diamond right now rather than waiting for it. Just to remind you, all of us know about this point, that if all the factors continue and the interest rate dip, it is better for your customers to lock the interest rate. अगर आपने अभी MGFP खरीद लिया तो आपकी interest rate lock हो गया. For the next 30 years of time, whatever happens, like that game which we played, right? Multiplication, subtraction, division, addition, कुछ भी हो economy में, कुछ भी हो in bond deal, etc. Nothing will happen to that customer because that interest rate or that IRR which we are talking about in MGFP is guaranteed. So MGFP is more precious now. I want to pitch this product, which all of you know about, this story of telling to the client about how can you get 1 crore rupee after 24, 26, 30 years. Right? All of us know about it, but I just want to make you, remember this again, because now this product has become more precious. Now, if you look at when you go to a customer and say that I have a proposition to get 1 crore in your bank account after 24 or 26 or 30 years time. I'm sure that when the customer hear 1 crore, it will ring bell in the ears of the customer, right? Customer को अच्छा लगा 1 crore मेरे account में after 24 years सुनने के लिए अच्छा होगा. Then you tell that to guaranteed आपको मिलने वाला है, that to tax free आपको मिलने वाला है. And then you should tell that if you have to do that, it is not a big deal. It is very simple. You need to open 2 accounts. One is your savings bank account आपके पास है. You have to open one more account which is called as insurance account. What you have to do is transfer daily 820 rupees for 12 years of time into your insurance account. आपका ही account है. But आप insurance policy खरीद रहे ऐसे मत सोचो. You are thinking that from one of my bank account, I am transferring some money to my insurance account. 820 rupees for 12 years. If you transfer it, 24 years later, you will get 1 crore. 695 rupees daily for 13 years. If you are doing after 26 years, you get 1 crore. Right, 501 rupees, only 500 rupees. 500 rupees today is not a big deal for anyone. 500 रुपया 500 रुपया 500 रुपया 500 रुपया अगर 15 साल every day if you are transferring from your account, हमको पैसा मत दो, from your account, savings account to insurance account, after 30 years you get 1 crore credited in your savings account. Now if you don't want to take this tension of daily, don't worry at all. You converted that into yearly numbers. 3 lakh rupees आप पे करो 12 साल में, at the end of 24 years, guaranteed. This is important, like this is guaranteed current MGFP. I don't know in December, after December, when RBI governor comes and say that now we are going to reduce the interest rate, this will come down. Right? Instead of 3 lakh rupees for 12 years for getting 1 crore, you may have to pay 3.25 lakh rupees or 3.5 lakh rupees for 12 years to get that same 1 crore. Right? Same applies for all the 3 examples. So my request to all of you is that please go to your as many customers as possible. We will give you that first 5 slides. जो हमने slides दिखाया है कि interest rate नीचे जा रहे हैं, interest rate और नीचे जाने के chances हैं, and hence this product is now more precious. कभी भी ये product जा सकता है. You should be going to your customers and close the policies in next 14 days of time as much as possible. And this is why MetLife Guarantee Future Plan is more precious now. Right, this all of you know. Just to remind you, if you are going for an endowment option, 1 lakh rupee example for 12 years, you get 32.88 after 24 years. 1 lakh rupee for 13 years time, you get 39.39 lakh rupees at the end of 26 years of time. 1 lakh rupee for 15 years time, you will get 54.5 lakh rupees at the maturity. And these are all very, very precious now. Right, bond deal, corporate bond deal, right, FD rates, all are going down. But this, once it is guaranteed for 30 years, 26 years, and 24 years. So with that, I want to now invite